Hey you guys, back with another video. This morning for breakfast I have taste for a grilled cheese. And this is my bread. I hope you can see that. Can you see that? Honey, oh, I like this bread. It has a sweet taste to it. I have my butter in a pan. I hope your morning is going well so far. I got up early and took my car back to the dealer. So, here I am, guys. And this is the cheese I'm going to use. That's my coffee over here. It seemed like my coffee pot wanted to go out. It's like it was dripping slow. I don't know what was wrong with it. But I had this. Oh, let me see. Let me put that there. You guys can see. I had that coffee pot for, I think when my daughter first went away to college. And that was 2014. Yeah. 2014. I got this at Target. I remember we was going to Targets to get her supplies that she needed for college, like microwave and stuff like that. And I remember paying $10 for this coffee pot because they had it for like the kids going to college and stuff. They want a coffee pot, so I paid $10 for this. So it lasts a good little minute, but it seemed like I got another one in the basement that I haven't used yet. Brand new in the box. And it look like I'm gonna have to go get it, you guys. And this one is about to crank out on me. Oh boy. It's pretty decent out there. It's still a lot of people without power because overnight that wind was really whipping. I was laying in my bed. I'm wiping my stove off, you guys. I was laying in my bed and I'm like, what the hell? Because you know when that wind gets around. Let me move this over here so you guys can see better. When the wind gets really high like that, it like throw all type of debris and everything up against the window. And you go in there, you like, luckily our power didn't go out. Okay, you guys, so this how I like mine toasted, just like that. So what I'm going to do is turn this back over. I'm going to place my cheese on it now. Binks been giving me the blues all morning. She keep messing with my plant, then she... It looks like she right back over there. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 pieces of cheese. Yeah, she's still messing with my plant. Okay. I'm gonna get this girl. This was my goodness. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter on it, and I'm gonna flip it. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna go in here and get Binks. See her with my plant over here. What is you doing, Binks? Binks. Binks. Leave my plant alone. Get this out your mouth. I got it done. Mess my plant up. Why did you keep bothering my plant? Then she bothered my plant. Then she... Then what she do, soon I go in the kitchen, she'll jump on the edge of the couch and go that way. Oh my goodness. Look like I got some cat litter in my house shoe. Washing my hands, you guys. Now some people like sugar on their grilled cheese. I like a little sugar on mine. I got like some cat litter in my doggone house shoe. Oh boy, 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 boy. Hold on, guys. Let me get this out my shoe. Yep, there was some cat litter. Okay. Okay, you guys. I'm just here looking at her, peeping at her, make sure she's not messing with my stuff. I got a little of this orange juice left. Just a little bit in here. I'm going to take that. Not quite ready yet. Okay, you guys, I'm almost done. I'm gonna put a little of this on there. So this should be ready to plate up. Put the TV on mute, and then she cut the TV off. turn and look on this side. Okay, you guys, it's about done. I don't like mine really dark. And I'm gonna move this eye. Cut the eye off, you guys. I'm gonna put you back over here. I have to keep peeping in here because she can knock that plant over. You gotta go get the vacuum. I'm just gonna have to move it. That's it, that's all. Okay, you guys, I hope you can see this. This is my grilled cheese. Ooh, all that cheesy goodness. Look at it oozing out from the back. Look at that. So I'm gonna put a little apricot on the side over there, so I can dip my grilled cheese in. Just a little bit. I started to like apricot preserves when I was a little girl. I always liked that. So that jar right there, from the expiration date, that jar lasts me a year, because I don't want to eat it. Young folks don't like stuff like that. Some of them. Alrighty, you guys, I thank you all for watching. So I'm gonna go in here and watch a little television and drink a little coffee, enjoy this grilled cheese. Okay. And my coffee maker back. Okay, you guys, I thank you for watching. And I will catch you later on in the next video. Bye-bye now. Yeah.